Hey there, sassy people. Do you have boots that cradle over like this in your closet? I have a hack for you, and it won't cost you a thing. Do you want to know my hack for standing your boots nice and tall? Come on, I'll show you. You know, my days as a teacher, we always had to come up with creative ways to do things, and at very little expense. So I have made a commitment that this fall and winter, I'm gonna pull out boots. Guys, I've never even worn these boots. And they're like a faux suede, and they're beautiful boots. It just doesn't get very cold, but I don't care. I'm gonna wear my boots this year. So as I was going through the closet and trying to find out ways to make them stand upright, I start thinking, I see a lot of people talking about using the pool noodles. And then I went on Amazon and I saw some that are shaped like your boot. So my little light bulb went off, and I thought, all you need really is some heavy duty paper. So I got this idea from just cutting a box, and I cut maybe about 15 inches tall. And you can tell it was my Target order. And all I did was made it the width of my boot and just kind of cut it kind of in a triangular form. All you do is stick this part in. Stick this part in. Your boots hold up perfectly. Okay. Let me know if you're going to give it a try, because this is a way that you don't even have to buy anything. If you have an order of something that has come in from Amazon, Target, Walmart, just cut your box apart and stand your boots nice and tall. I thank you for coming by and hanging out with me for a few minutes. I hope that this is like a little hack that you're going to be able to use too. Let me know. Make sure that you're staying safe and healthy. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. Stay safe, healthy, and sassy. I'll see you soon.